other guy, huh? Look at that. He's gonna give the little chicken a little shade from the rain. Good boy. Alright, well, let's see how smart they are. They're not very smart, you know. I'm sure glad I got his hoodie off the back porch before it got wet. So he gave him some shelter, but they're not smart enough to get in there. How miserable could it be? It must not be too miserable. In case y'all can't tell, it's raining. Hey guys, somebody's getting smart. They're going under there. Look. Can you see? Yep, that's as high as I can get, guys. Oh, there they go. Some of them are figuring it out. Yeah. Some of them are going under that little cover he made. There they go. Yeah, they ran through it. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Yep, they're figuring it out. One at a time. Yep. Chickens are not rocket scientists. So how much of that tree did y'all watch? He's filling up their water and putting it in. It's a little early to stick them in, but I don't think he's going to stay out there that long. He's got one cold water in. And it looks like he's going to fill up another one. Yep, that's what he's doing. How y'all like that tree? That's a good tree, man. Well, yeah, he's getting their feed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to lock them up. He's putting feed in there now. So what he does is he'll put like a little bit of feed in there, and then all the chickens will run to him, and then he'll toss them in until they quit coming, and then he'll put more feed in. So it looks like he has a different program today. I think they're all going to want to go in. It's funny how they can fly out, but they can't fly in. All those chickens flew out all by themselves. Who knows how long it took, however. He's got the cold water ready for tomorrow. Oh, I see what he did. Yeah, he made sure that where he threw the feed was going to stay dry, too. With that piece of metal. Well, boys and girls, I'm getting wet. Ciao.